No idea how to create video ads on TikTok? Don't worry. Today, I'll guide you on how to create amazing video ads with just a few clicks using JoggAI. First, simply copy and paste your product link into JoggAI. The tool will automatically analyze the link and pull out the text and visuals for you. Next, customize your video preferences like choosing the 9:16 aspect ratio, video length, target audience, and language options for different markets. Now, choose your favorite script style generated by JoggAI. If you want to make it your own, just click the Edit button to customize the script. Then, pick an avatar and a template that fits your brand. You can fine-tune these choices with the Edit function. Don't worry about the lip sync. It will be matched after you submit. If you're struggling to find the best performing creative, JoggAI's batch mode lets you quickly create multiple customized video ads. Test different versions to find the one that boosts clicks and engagement. Finally, click the render button. That's it. And JoggAI will deliver personalized, compelling video ads to convert more visitors into buyers.